Everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to lock the Telegram app. Locking your Telegram app ensures that your messages stay private and secure from unauthorized access. So, let's get started on how to lock the Telegram app. First, locate the Telegram app on your device. Once you locate it, tap and hold onto it until a menu appears. From the menu, tap on the required passcode option. Tap on the required passcode option again to confirm. Finally, enter your iPhone passcode to lock the app. And this is how you can lock the Telegram app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.